Hello, international students. This is Kayla Reed, your systems librarian, and I'm going to introduce you to library services today. First, the library homepage, which is the access point for all library resources. If you go to mssu.edu, you go to Academics and go to Library. This will bring you to the library homepage. Scrolling down, you'll see our hours. The hours change on the daily, so you can know how late we are open each day. It also gives the hours for the study rooms and how late you're able to check them out. Beneath the hours is our search box. There are 4 options for searching. First is full search. This will search all the library materials, including databases, journals, books, ebooks, and so on. We'll do a demonstration of this search. Journal search is if you want a specific journal title. Books and media search is for specifically electronic books and physical materials, as well as Mobius, which is a consortium that allows the library to borrow materials from other libraries in the state of Missouri. And finally, research and course guides, which are research guides created by librarians to help you with your research process. To start, let's do a full search. I'm searching international politics. And you can see I have over 4 million results. If I scroll down, I can see all the different types of materials that I have, and I can limit them by scholarly journals, by full text, or even by print. I can choose if I want a year limitation, so if I want these to be from the last 5 years, I can do so. And I can also choose subjects and other limiters underneath. One thing you might want to note is there is also an Ask a Librarian button. This will allow you to send an email to me, the systems librarian, in case you are having any kind of difficulties. On the right, you'll also see the library chat. So if you're having issues and it says Ask Us, that means we are online and able to help you immediately. There are also recommended research and course guides, the library hours, and any recommended databases. Under a books and media search, you can see the different books and that there are a lot less results. This is because it does not include articles. So if you want to find a book specifically, I'd recommend using this tab. To access an ebook, you can click on it and then click Available Online. This will allow you to access the book. For physical books, they will have a location and a call number. You click on it. You can text the item location to yourself, which will send the location and the call number to your phone, so you don't have to write that down. If you're not sure where the location is, if you click on it, it will take you to maps of the library and lists of where each collection is located. If for some reason we do not have the book you're looking for, you can look in Mobius. It's important to note that you can only borrow physical items through Mobius. So if I'm looking here, and I decide I want this book, all I have to do is check that there is a copy that says available, and then hit request it. and that will allow me to choose Missouri Southern State University. And then you just have to enter your first and last name and your S number with the S in front and MSSU at the end. Then choose Pickup Location of MSSU, and it will let you know that your order has been placed. It generally takes 3 to 5 business days for Mobius books to arrive, so please be aware of that. You will receive an email when the book is available for pickup. Finally, research and course guides. You can go to Browse All Guides, or you can search for a specific guide if you know what you're looking for. I'm going to click Browse All Guides. You can see our guides are sorted by their subject. And you can see the different subjects on the side. If you have any questions about a guide, please feel free to reach out to the library. We'll be happy to help. Other things you should note on the library website: announcements. Any current events will be placed here. How can we help you? You can check your library account. You log in with your first and last name, and then your S number with the MSSU at the end. On this account, you can renew materials, look at your holds, and check for fines. You can also reserve a room. The library has several study rooms that are available for reservation by students. If you click here, this is where you'll reserve a study room. You can click Info to see more information about the room and a picture. To make the reservation, go to the day and time you want. Click on anywhere that's green. Hit Submit Times. Read the rules. And then fill out this form. You must confirm the reservation within your student email within 30 minutes or the reservation will be canceled. Please make sure you confirm your reservation. To check out, you just come to the library with your photo ID and you'll be able to check out the room. Under How to Print, this gives you information about printing. There's also more information about any technical problems you might have. So if you need help, come to this page and you can get more information on Wi-Fi, how to access databases, etc. Overdrive is a collection of electronic audio books and ebooks that the library subscribes to through our consortium Mobius. If you go to Subjects, you can see that there are almost 18,000 titles that you can browse. If you go to Search, click Advanced, you can choose to look at the books by the languages. So if you would like a book in Japanese, it will show you what we have available. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can make recommendations for purchase and we will review your recommendation. The neat thing about Overdrive is it also has an app called Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. If you download the app and log in, then you can download audiobooks and ebooks to your mobile device. Very handy. Finally, contact us. This has information on the different ways you can reach out to the library, including frequently asked questions, comments or suggestions, policies, as well as a staff directory. Beneath this, there are links for help, donations, archives and special collections, as well as providing feedback. The calendar shows any library events that are scheduled for the month. Beneath that are new electronic materials that you can browse. And finally, links to all our social media accounts so you can be up to date on what's going on in the library. Over on the right, you can see Contact the Department with an email, phone, and text number where you can reach out and ask us for help. If you're needing more in-depth research help, you can click Schedule Appointment. This will allow you to schedule a one-on-one research appointment with the librarian. Choose your date and your time and fill out this form. We'll get back to you and you can have your research help. At the top, you'll see a menu called Students. Some of these links we've already reviewed. A few are new. Citation help, for example, gives you information on how to use the citation tool within the full search, as well as some other recommended links for you to use when making citations. Finally, request items, interlibrary loan. If for some reason an item is not available through Mobius, you can request a book through interlibrary loan, or if an article is unavailable, you can request an article. Either of these forms you'll click on and you will start your request. You'll fill out the form with all the information needed. You can watch the video guide if you need help, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Generally speaking, for articles, it is an electronic delivery within 3 days, and for books, it takes a couple of weeks as it comes through the traditional mail system. If you are on campus, your experience will be just like what I have demonstrated. However, if you are off campus, it may be a little different. We recommend using the off-campus searching for off-campus searching. You can click on this link and it will take you to the proxy page to log you in. What is the proxy? The proxy is like a gate that allows current MSSU students to access the library resources. If we go to Wi-Fi and Technology Help and go to How do I access library databases, you'll see this is what the proxy page looks like. You'll log in with the first part of your email before the @ symbol and your password. There are more detailed instructions about what to do if you have trouble with the proxy. Finally, we just want to say welcome to MSSU. Please feel free to reach out to the library for help at any time. We are here to make your academic experience rich and meaningful. Thank you. Have a great day.